All right, we've switched skis, Ryan and I, for the sugar and the playful little hiccups, I call them, down in the kitchen. They're not cupcakes, they're not moguls, they're hiccups. And this ski is a little more work in here. Got to stay on top of it. It does want to bulldoze through everything. But it does hold on hard pack. No doubt about it. It holds. And it does just blow through everything. I want to see what it's like over here where Ross is. Because I've been skiing over here on this softball surface to see what it's like. Not bad. Definitely a bulldozer of a ski. So stop by Ski House. Get tuned. Get fit. Was that playful?
Oh yeah, that was
Much more playful.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.